morning. Ito kami sa DQ. So, finally, nag-open na yung DQ dito here in Coronadal. So, ako, ang order ko ay Rocky Road. So, I with my colleagues. There. So, order niya strawberry. Ang kaiga mo order niya is cheesecake. So, yung kanyang choice, cheesecake. Ako naman is Rocky Road. So, titikman natin. At, guys, upside down nga naman. Upside down. Hindi siya nalalaglag upside down. So, yun yung kanilang kumbaga motto sa ice cream nila. Kaya daw sila ay naiiba dahil sila ay upside down. Ayan yung DQ dito. Ayan. Nagbebenta rin sila ng cake. Yan yung kanilang menu. Very simple lang naman yung store nila dito. Yan. Kaya punta na kayo. I-try nyo na rin. Bye! Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. And you'll be updated for our new vlogs and uploads. Thank you!